Alright, so another Jeep problem. I have a noise that, if anybody knows what it is, it would greatly help me. I've heard that it's coolant lines with air in them, and that it needs to be burped or whatever, but I'm just not sure if that's the same noise as people describe to me, because I haven't had anybody else actually take a listen to it yet, so here goes. Seems like it wants to be quiet right now. So if we can't get it, wait a few minutes and see if it gets louder. Getting a little bit louder. I hear the medium to low pitch sound. Sounds kind of like, almost like power steering to me, but what I'm also concerned about is the spinning kind of sound is the only way I could describe that. Don't mind there's a couple little taps in there, that's just my transfer case linkage, but well, if anybody knows what this sounds like, kind of little staticky sound in the background. That's what I need to figure out. It's not very loud on the outside of the Jeep. I mean, you can hear it a little bit, but not a whole lot. Drive around for a second. Keep in reverse or something. Maybe something will change. I don't know. I don't honestly know. Just back it up. Kind of. Floor first, because it's really kind of snowy out. Not super snowy, just, you know, probably like a foot or two in total. So. Parked a little bit in the snow there. There's my squeaky brakes. Bad parking job. Now it's a little louder. Seems to me. It sounds like a squeaking now. Right in here, maybe up a little bit more. Oh yeah, now we're getting some noise out of it. Alright, well, if anybody knows what that noise is, that would help a lot. Thanks.